Hello everyone. In this second episode of a 9-part series dedicated to atmospheric perspective in compositing in Blender 4.1, we will perform a couple of preliminary operations before starting the rendering of the scene. Before we go on, I remind you that, as it happens with most of my tutorials, the text versions of the video tutorials of this series are available for free download at the link provided in the description. At the end of the previous episode, I mentioned that before starting the rendering, we need to address two aspects: the clipping end of the camera and the separation of the virtual background. The mask provided by the depth output of render layers will indeed show objects positioned at clip start as black and those positioned at clip end as white. These settings can be found in the Object Data tab of the camera object, but by default, they are not displayed in the 3D viewport. To display both the clipping points and the focus point in the 3D viewport, let's open the Viewport Display section of the Object Data tab of the camera and activate the Limits option. Examining the information provided by limits, we notice, for example, that the original clipping end value is excessively high, so I can adjust it to just 20 cm. Another operation to perform before starting the rendering is activating the Environment Render Pass to isolate the background from the compositing information. Once the rendering is done, this render pass will return only the background in color, while the objects present in the scene will be rendered black. At the end of the tutorial series, we will add the background to the complete rendering again. Okay, that's all for this episode. In the next one, we will finally talk about the depth render pass. See you soon!